Hello, my friends. I want to talk about Newcastle disease, and this is a viral disease that often causes the death of birds, and there is no medical treatment, and you can only prevent uh, through vaccine. But in my experience, if you become ill early, you can hope that the bird treat. If you see signs of puffiness and blackness of the leg of the tongue and beak, it can be Newcastle disease. First, apply cinnamon 3 times a day. Apply apple to the bird. Give the bird with a teaspoon. Give the apple and cinnamon. Second, cut the garlic and put it into the bird's water for 3 days. Use special parrot B complex. Use one morning drop and one night drop. Treatment may take up to 10 days. During this time, warm the room and do not miss your hope and help your bird uh, with your patience. I hope you understand my weak English. Your bird will be treated with your help. Thank you.